Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video for you. If your Samsung monitor, the speakers are not working, first thing that you want to check out if the speakers, if the sound is actually there. Because many times we think that our monitor got the speakers, but it doesn't have. So check that out first. The second thing, what you can try to do is that probably your Samsung monitor is going to have an audio jack. And what you can do is you can connect the audio jack to speaker, like let's say a JBL speaker or some kind of different speaker, and then the way you can have actually like much better speakers comparing to the monitor ones, because to be honest, the monitor speakers are just trash. They're really bad. The third thing that you can try, and this is going to sound maybe a little bit, just try to connect your monitor. If you know that your monitor got speakers, connect the monitor to different laptop, to different PC, to actually try if the speakers are going to work out on different laptop or different PC. That means is that if the monitor is going to work out on different laptop or PC, that means is the issue with the software, not the hardware. And the last thing that you can try, maybe this is going to work out. So what you're going to do is that you want to go here on a sound on Windows. I will just go away my camera. Sound, Windows, sounds. And when you're going to be right here, you want to go to playback, and here you should find the speaker for your monitor. And what you want to do, you just want to set it to default, and then go to properties, set the default right here. You go to properties and levels and put it to 100. So try it out. Maybe it's going to work out. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.